To connect the USB drive into OnePlus Nord CE5, first of all you will have to open the settings, and now we have to turn on the OTG connection by going to the accessibility, scroll down and click over here. Now if you've got the USB-C drive, you can easily plug it into the port like so, and now after a few seconds you should be able to actually store all of your files. As you can see over here you can find your USB drive. But also, if you don't have, the USB-C drive, but you've got USB-A, you can purchase this adapter from USB-A into USB-C, plug it like so. Now plug it here, and it will works the same way. So just wait for it. There we go. As you can see here, I've got access into my other storage. So that's how it actually works. Thanks for watching.